Switching phones but don't want to lose your WhatsApp messages? Here's how to transfer them safely. On your old phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Here, tap on Chats, then tap on Chat Backup. Tap Backup now to make sure all your messages are backed up to Google Drive. Now, install WhatsApp on your new phone. When you log in with your phone number, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat backup. Tap Restore and all your messages will be transferred to a new phone. Make sure you use the same phone number and Google account to restore your backup. Have you ever transferred messages successfully? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.